and welcome to ABC Interactive English. I'm Mike.
I'm Kim.
And I have questions.
What's the question?
Well, it's our story unit today, right? Today and tomorrow. And the day after. It's a 3-day story.
Oh.
And we have a title for the story, which is normal.
Which
Normally
is?
you have a title. And the title is The Pendulum.
So what is that?
I don't know. That's why I have questions.
Okay, I have answers. This
Really?
thing, pendulum, is the thing on a clock. Picture a giant clock, like the grandfather clock.
Okay.
It's really big.
Yep,
And
yep,
it's this circular thing, and it goes choo, choo, choo.
It swings back and forth. It's a weight that basically keeps the clock going.
So
right? Yeah.
this story is going to be 3 parts of this thing going choo, 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 choo.
Tick tock, that's the whole story?
Maybe a mouse will run up the clock at some point.
Ooh, or
And we
maybe
will be
someone
able to
will
say
come and
Hickory Dickory.
wind the clock with a key
Well, it could
to
happen.
keep the pendulum going. This is gonna be exciting. No, that sounds boring.
I know it does. So let's
Yeah.
find out what it is actually about, because there's no way this is just about a clock.
I think your swinging back and forth idea has more to it, right? We often talk about a pendulum in business, right? Sometimes your business is up and then it's bad and then it gets back up again. You know, things in life do sometimes go like that, back and forth from one end to the other.
And it cannot be a 3-part story about this.
I hope not. Well, we'll find out. So let's check it out. The Pendulum, Part 1.
John Perkins lived with his wife, Katie. Usually, when he got home from work, she greeted him with a kiss. Then, John would relax while Katie made dinner. After dinner, they would talk for a little bit. At 8:15, John would reach for his hat. In an unhappy way, Katie would ask, "Now, where are you going?"
All right, let's get right into our story because I'm so excited to read this story.
Something's gonna be going back and forth like a pendulum on a clock. That's all we know.
It says, John
Yes.
Perkins lived with his wife, Katie,
And they made clocks.
apparently.
No?
Maybe not. Usually, when he got home from work, she greeted him with a kiss.
Okay.
Okay.
Hi, honey.
Then, John would relax while Katie made dinner.
Ah, okay.
Why doesn't John make dinner?
Yeah, well, that's a good question.
John.
Maybe, I don't know. That's a good question. But maybe he's got a very stressful job and he's really tired. Maybe when he comes, anyway, I don't know. But she does greet him with a kiss, which is a very nice way to greet someone, but probably only greet people you know really well with a kiss. Because when you greet someone in any case, this is like welcoming that person. Hi, welcome home. Hi, nice to meet you. Hi, thanks for coming to my party, or something like that. Even if you're just walking down the street and you see your friend, hey, how's it going? You're greeting that person. So basically, it's the beginning of the conversation, or when you're welcoming someone and you want to make them feel comfortable and you're trying to be friendly, you greet those people. In some countries, you might greet people with a handshake or with a bow. In Japan, with a hug with a good friend or a family member. Or in some places, although maybe not so much now,
No.
with a kiss.
Some countries do still greet each other with a kiss on each cheek.
Yeah,
but
not
it's-
even now with the masks and the
No,
COVID.
especially
and
not
stuff.
now, but it's usually women that do it.
Right. In France, they
Yes,
would greet
in
you with a
Europe.
kiss on each cheek. Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, so a kiss, what's a kiss? I think we all know this. We've all seen it before in movies or, your parents or something. A kiss. That's it. Very easy to define. So she greets him
Absolutely.
with a kiss because they're husband and wife.
Yeah.
They're married. So that's
Okay.
usually how you would greet your spouse.
There you go. And then his wife goes off to make dinner while the husband, he relaxes. And to relax here, this verb means to take it easy, to stop working, to rest, to do something so that your mind and your body are comfortable and not busy in any kind of way. Now, how you relax is really up to you. You could want to go and lie down in your bedroom and turn out all the lights and almost go to sleep. Or you could sit on the TV, on the sofa, just watch some TV, sip a cup of coffee, read a book, listen to music, check out your favorite podcasts or whatever. But basically, you're not working. You're doing things that you find fun and not stressful. So you're not playing basketball maybe or something like that. Although some people do sports to relax.
Some people might, but that's a little
intense. But then after the sports, you might also relax to give your muscles a rest. So you're kind of giving your mind and or your body a rest. All right, so then I guess they would eat the dinner that Katie had made. And then what? Well, it says after dinner, they would talk for a little bit. Okay, that's
How
nice.
was your day?
Yeah. So
like
they
that.
finish dinner, and maybe as they're cleaning up or just enjoying their dessert or a coffee after dinner, they talk for a little bit. How was your day? What's new? My boss said this. Tomorrow I'm doing that. And then what happened during the evening?
Well, at 8:15, John would reach for his hat.
Oh, okay.
In an unhappy way, Katie would ask, "Now, where are you going?"
Ah, interesting.
Where are you going, John?
Yeah, I guess. So I guess this is his hat that he wears when he goes out, kind of an old-fashioned story or something like that, because when he's reaching for his hat, we get the idea that he's leaving the home. And yes, his wife sounds unhappy about this. If you're unhappy, you're not happy.
Yes, you're very not happy
That's about it.
something.
You could be angry, you could be sad, you could be frustrated, you could be worried. It really depends, but you're definitely not happy. Another word that kind of means a lot of things that are maybe not so happy, upset.
Yes.
Right? If someone's upset, they could be angry or sad or whatever, but they're definitely not happy or unhappy. I'm unhappy now.
You know what? I'd be unhappy too. Where are you going, John? You came home. I made you dinner. We talked a little bit. It's 8:15. Why are you leaving?
And now he's going. Interesting. Well, maybe he's kind of like me. Maybe he just needs a break.
Maybe.
And he'll be back in 2 minutes.
Okay.
I don't think so, though. But we will be back in 2 minutes, so don't go far.
Before John left, he would answer,
I'm going to McCloskey's to play pool with the guys.
He would hang out there and go home at 10 or 11.
Okay, so back in our story, John Perkins, who just got home from work, had dinner with his wife. Now it looks like he's leaving the house again to go out at 8:15 in the evening. His wife was not happy about this, right? She could see that he was planning to leave, and so she was kind of saying, where are you going? And it says before John left, he would answer, I'm going to McCloskey's to play pool with the guys. All right, so we get the idea that this is something he does regularly,
yes.
right? Because every day at 8:15 he would say this. Not he said this one time, but he would always say every day, like a very common thing, part of his normal schedule, I'm going to McCloskey's to play pool with the guys. Now I'm not sure, but with a name like McCloskey's and also playing pool with the guys, he's going to hang out with his friends, a bunch of guys or men, at a bar or a pool hall or somewhere like that. The idea basically is he's not spending the evening at home with his wife. He came home, had dinner, and now he's going back out again. So that might be why she was unhappy.
I think Katie needs to find some girlfriends and go out on her own and get some
Or
cocktails.
he needs to spend more time with his loving wife at home.
Well, it says he would hang out there and go home at 10 or 11. So that's not too late, though.
No, it's not too
That's
late,
okay.
but if it's 5 nights a week
Okay,
or
that's
maybe
annoying.
6 nights on the weekend too, she's not happy that this is how he answers her every night when she says, where are you going? And of course, he is answering her because she asked him a question, right? Where are you going? McCloskey's to play pool with the guys. That is an answer, or he answered by telling her that. And yes, answer can be both the noun, what you say to the question, or just saying something to the question. But basically, if there's a question, there should be an answer. And speaking those words is answering that question. And his answer was, he was going to play pool.
He's going to play pool with the guys.
He's not going to be in the pool swimming around?
No, he's not playing pool like backstroking
that
through
would
the
be
bar.
in the pool or
No.
just swimming.
Yeah, so pool is a game with a very large table.
Yes.
It's green felt on
Yes.
it. You have a triangle piece like this where you put all the balls.
True, yeah.
There's a cue,
A stick.
a stick that you use to push the balls, and that's how you play the game. I'm terrible at it.
Oh, really?
I don't know about you. I'm not very good.
I'm okay. 9-ball pool is very popular in Taiwan. There's also straight pool, or in England, and I've seen it on TV here as well. They play snooker. S-N-O-O-K-E-R.
What is snooker? It sounds like a type of cookie.
Snooker's like pool, but the table's much bigger, the balls are much smaller, and it's harder. But they're both hard to be good at.
It still sounds like a delicious kind of cookie. I'd like 4 Snookers, please.
Yeah. But anyway, it's something that's hard to be really good at, but really fun and easy to play. So anyone can play it. And yeah, at a lot of bars and places like that, they'll have people who play pool. Sometimes you have to be over 18 to go into the places people play pool. Or if you're lucky, you can have a pool table. That's what we call that table that you use, a pool table, and do it at home. And sometimes the guys play pool, girls play pool. Actually, I think Taiwan has many wonderful female pool players. But when we talk about guys, we're kind of talking about men or boys in a very casual kind of way. But it can also be a term used for just a group of people, right? Like I could go up to Kim and a bunch of her friends and my friends, say, hey, what do you guys want to do? Some people might say, we're not guys, we're girls, because it can mean boys. But generally, if we use it for a group, we just mean, hey, everyone, hey, you people. But yes, guy can also be a boy, a man.
Yes.
Someone who is male.
And he's going there to hang out with the guys. So hang out when you go out with your friends, family members. You're just chilling, you're relaxing, you're just having a good time chatting, maybe have some drinks, maybe have some food, talking to people, just doing a shared activity together. That's really fun. It's supposed to be relaxing and fun time out with your friends.
Exactly. It's not working, it's not doing something special like a project together. You're just spending time in your free time doing anything you want, really.
Anything, yeah.
Yeah, it could be very busy, hanging out at the basketball court with my friends, playing basketball afternoon, hanging out at home, sitting on the sofa, watching a baseball game, whatever. It's fun, it's relaxing, it's our free time. We're spending time with our friends. Okay, so McCloskey's is going to be busy tonight. The guys are going to be playing pool. The house where he lives is going to be very quiet, and just a wife sitting at home looking like that, probably looking up at the clock. When's he coming home?
The pendulum swinging.
This could be bad. So we're going to see what happens to the Perkins tomorrow, right? No clocks yet.
No.
No clocks.
We'll see if there's any in part 2.
John Perkins lived with his wife, Katie. Usually, when he got home from work, she greeted him with a kiss. Then, John would relax while Katie made dinner. After dinner, they would talk for a little bit. At 8:15, John would reach for his hat. In an unhappy way, Katie would ask, "Now, where are you going?" Before John left, he would answer,
I'm going to McCloskey's to play pool with the guys.
He would hang out there and go home at 10 or 11.
Hello， 我是维尼，又见面了，一样来看看今天新的生字文法哦。首先，第一个是 kiss， 名词是亲吻。I give my mom a kiss every morning before I leave the house。我每天早上出门前都会给我妈妈一个吻。第二个 unhappy， 形容词不开心的。Tell us what you are unhappy about。告诉我们你为什么不开心。第三个是 answer， 动词回答。那 answer 呢有回答、应答之意。最常见的用法就是 answer the question， 回答问题。应答的话可以说 answer the phone， 接电话 ；answer the door， 开门。Answer my questions right now， 现在立刻回答我的问题。最后这个字是 guy。名词是人或是家伙 I don't know that guy， 我不认识那个人。接着来看今天的新用语咯。第一个动词加 for a little bit， 做某事一下子的时间。A little bit 除了指很短的时间之外，也可以表示程度上的少许或一点点。We rested for a little bit, then quickly got back to work. 我们休息片刻过后，马上继续工作。第二个是 somebody reaches for something， 某人伸手拿某物。那 reach 之后呢，需要以 for 接受词。He reached into his pocket for some money. Pocket 呢是名词，就是口袋。他伸手进他的口袋拿钱。好，那我们今天就到这边喽，下次见。
Hi everyone, I'm Stephen.
I'm Matt.
We're going to play this game called Guess the Bear, where each of us has 3 words or phrases on these cards. We're going to read 2 sentences for each, and we're going to say the word bear instead of the word. You're going to have to guess all 3 in 1 minute. Can you do it?
I think I can.
All right, let's get started. Go! Okay, the first one, this is 1 word, it's a verb. I called him, but Ned didn't bear the phone. Number 2, please bear my question.
Answer.
Good job. Okay, this is 2 words, it's a phrase. He bared bear for the remote on the table. And the second one, bear the sky. This is a stick up.
Reach for.
Look at
Wow.
you. Awesome. Okay, third one. This is a noun, 1 word. The little boy gave his mom a bear on the cheek. Number 2, only a true love's bear can wake the princess from her sleep.
Kiss.
All right, good job.
3 out of 3.
I better get mine right.
All right, yeah.
All
You
right.
better get
Pressure's
yours, okay?
on.
Ready?
Pressure's on. Go.
Let's go. Okay, first one's a noun. Thanks. You're a nice bear. Ryan Reynolds was in a movie called Free Bear.
Man, free guy, you're a nice
Well,
person.
yes, you just
guy.
said, you said
guy.
it. Guy. Okay, next is a 3-word phrase. Jake rested for bear after the intense workout. Susan stretched for bear before the race.
Next one.
Okay, this is an adjective. The disastrous situation made Tim bare. The bear customer took their business elsewhere.
Angry,
Not quite something.
sad, angry, furious,
More like sad.
anxious, depressed,
Like sad. Different word for sad.
worried. I don't know.
Okay, back to the
Okay.
other one. Jake rested for bear after the intense workout.
No,
Okay.
only got one.
So
Tell me
that
what
one
they are.
was the 3-word phrase, and it's for a little bit. So it was Jake rested for a little bit after the intense workout, and Susan stretched for a little bit before the race.
She should do more because you can't just stretch a little bit. Okay, next.
The next one was the adjective, and it was unhappy.
Oh.
So, like sad. but
Okay.
The disastrous situation made Tim unhappy, and the unhappy customer took their business elsewhere.
Oh, I don't know. Disaster would make me pretty sad, so unhappy doesn't seem like a fit. I just don't like losing.
Yeah. That was so I win.
You do. Good job.
See you next time.